Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to create Splitwise account. So in order to create Splitwise account, you have to first of all install the application. Once done installing, click the open button and then open up the application. Here you'll be provided with a list of options, that is, you could either manually enter in the email address or sign in with your Google account. You could do either one of it. I'm gonna go with the sign in with Google account, which is much more easier and convenient as well. Select the Google account that you wish to link with, and here you could see you've been directed to the page where you can go in and select your subscription plan. If you're not sure about it, then click on no thanks located right at the bottom and then swipe towards all of these, and here you can see that you have successfully created your account. You could go ahead and start exploring all of these. So that's basically how you can create your Splitwise account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.